Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix a firewall may be blocking Spotify solved. First method is, type Notepad in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click File, Open. Click this PC, C drive. Windows, System 32. Drivers, etc. Select all files. Open hosts file. If any entries like Spotify, delete that entries. Save and exit Notepad. Try to open Spotify. If same error still exists, second method is click Settings. Select Auto Detect. Click Update Proxy. Close and reopen Spotify. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.